Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to get or download Minecraft for your Windows 11 computer. So Minecraft is not a free program. They do offer a free trial. Minecraft is owned by Microsoft, by the way. So you can actually try it for free, but it is a trial program and you will have to pay, I believe, $25 as of recording this for the full license. So just keep that in mind, guys, that this is not a free program. There's no bypassing anything here. This is a completely legitimate product and we're not doing anything that is considered gray or not proper. This is going through the proper channels of Microsoft, and we're just downloading, or we're going to show you guys how to download the Minecraft application. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. We're going to go ahead and jump right into it. You're going to start by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but you're going to go up to the top URL search bar and type in minecraft.net and go ahead and search for that. Select the Games tab up at the top, and then you want to just select Minecraft. Where it says try for free, you can select that, or you can select Get Minecraft, one or the other here. So if you select Get Minecraft, you'll see different information about computers and platforms for your particular device, as well as different versions of the Minecraft application. So if we actually were to go back and select the Try It Free button, go ahead and select that. And then you can select, like I said, a free trial for your device. And you would go and scroll down here. And you would select the Download Now button. You run the installer file, follow the directions, and then you would be able to open up Minecraft. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. Again, it's not a free program, so just keep that in mind. There is a trial version. You can use it before you buy it, but that's about it. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.